So we are going to HeyGen. If you just search for HeyGen on Google or type heygen.com, you can reach HeyGen. I have typed it on Google now. You can see it. The option called HeyGen has appeared here. Just clicking on that will take us to the HeyGen page. We can see a lot of things like free your story AI video generator. See that? There are several options like photo avatars, stock avatars, and many. There are descriptions about avatar 4, video avatar, and so on. You can read through that. We are moving on to our specific task. We need to create a new account. Only then we can use this effectively and do the things we mentioned before. So we have gone to sign up. Very simple. It is just like signing up for any new tool. If anyone has any doubt, I am showing it one more time. Here, if you have a Google account, you can do it directly. There is Apple option also. Or you can use your social accounts as we usually do. I am pasting my email ID here, press continue. An OTP will have been sent to the email. We need to type that OTP here. Let's go to email. Okay, we can see I have entered the OTP. A pop-up saying registration completed has appeared. My registration is complete. Now I can start creating videos inside this. What has appeared before us now are its different plans. That is free, creator, team, enterprise. On the free plan, we can only generate 3 videos a month. Now onto the creator plan, we can generate unlimited videos, but there we can do up to 30 minutes. That is, if it is 3 minutes in the free plan, in this creator plan, we can generate up to 30 minutes of a video. Quality is another difference. Here, we can only do 720p. If we want more clarity, like 1080p, we need to take this creator plan. Now, if you want quality higher than that, like 4K, we need to go to team or higher plan. We can start with the free plan itself. There are limited features on free plan. We can create 3 avatars. There are languages. We also need to discuss how to do it if we have other audio in hand. So when going into that, currently at the start, we are going with the free $0 option. Later, we need to look at the paid models as well. We need to discuss that difference in quality come up there. So watch this fully and carefully. Note this down and practice doing it along with this. So I click at the option choose free. Naturally, if you have joined other platforms like this, they ask questions like this. When asked, what brings you to HeyGen today? We can say anything, whether business or personal. Let us select personal. If asked what best describes you, we can say hobbies. Where did you hear about this? We can select Instagram, marketing video, and interactive avatar. Let us select that. Anything. Now our HeyGen is ready. Here we can see the speaker option. You can create here, create video. You can try it out here. We can input prompts for generating standard videos here. Now there is an option called projects, video agent. You can see apps and avatars. Our focus is on avatars. That is where we need to go next. If we click on avatar, you can see many avatars that already been there. You can see a lot of under. Start with public avatar. If you click see all, you can use these avatars. Okay, we can do it in the way they speak. We can create an avatar from a photo itself. An option called digital twin, which is more realistic, is also available here. So this is the basic part of it. If you have set this much up, we can move forward together. Otherwise, pause here, set this part up and keep the account ready. Create the account and keep it ready to generate video. There are a few things you need to pay attention to regarding creating the video. We'll come to those matters. So I have set up a camera here now. I am speaking, standing in front of this camera or sitting in front of the camera. The quality of the output I get will be this quality that I can record in either 16:9 format or in portrait mode 9:16. Both are okay. Now, If you don't have the camera, you can do it using a high quality webcam. But keep in mind that the output you will get be limited to that quality. What we need to understand here, unlike what is given other AI video generation tools, is that we are not providing an image here. Here, the ingredient we provide is a video itself. When we say quality, we don't just mean just the camera quality only. Lighting is very, very important. See, I have done the lighting well here. If you do it without this much lighting, you will only get a result corresponding to that. Set it up so that light comes from front like this. Do not set it up like that, this light comes from the back. We must see face clearly. You can see on my screen 2 videos I have recorded in this manner. I have recorded this one in Malayalam, a local language in India, and also in English. So if I open the Malayalam one, you can see it like this. Similarly, I have recorded a video like this in English as well. My name is Satya. I come from Malayalam. I completed my music degree before my graduation. So my first project